anxiety and confusion grips the mind of Bicholim people regarding the snail pace and lethargic work on Bicholim bus stand. The construction of the Bicholim bus stand commenced in April 2022. We had thought and had been promised that the project will be completed within 2 years as stated in the work order. Hence, we offered no suggestion for change to the original design or structural reforms. We understand that governance is a continuous process, so we have extended our full cooperation and patiently awaited its completion. In 2023, we raised a question in the Honorable Goa Legislative Assembly about the slow progress as work on the project had halted entirely for several months. We repeatedly highlighted the delay during zero-hour session and conducted multiple joint inspections. Despite my best effort to make the department proactive, I am deeply saddened that it is now the third year and the project remains only approximately 70% complete with substantial work still pending. These are essential public utility projects that demand immediate action, efficient financial support, and proactive construction technique to deliver the promised utility to people who have placed their trust and confidence in the government. The people of my constituency have suffered immensely. They endure a tin sheet protected shelter in scorching sun and rain. Shop owners run their business from tiny makeshift setup while half-baked in the heat. And buses, regular commuters and students using the facility have faced ongoing hardship. My sincere request to the government, there has already been far too much delay in the construction of the bus stand. I urge the government to immediately engage additional workforce to significantly boost efficiency and expedite completion. CM sir.
स्पीकर त्या प्रोजेक्टाक डिले जाला ही खरी गजाल आसा. जाता तितके एक्सपेडाइट करून जे एक 4 महिन्या भितर तो प्रोजेक्ट एक सोपोन इनॉग्रेट करतात.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.